Jesus Christ. Morning, guys. Yeah. Oh, I think I gotta cut the rest of these. I think I gotta make another section here for China. I'm just gonna do it like this. Oh man. Ooh. I guess I was wrong about the Zeker. I thought it would make a move because it was pretty illiquid. Today. I should have bought it Friday, but what was going on Friday? I wasn't really convinced Bitcoin was about to bounce yet, but I did start buying cart on Friday. I bought more today. Although I'm not like super excited about this one. I should have just chased this today. Or maybe I can still chase it. I mean, I wouldn't really call that a base. It's like a range, I guess. But yeah, call it whatever you want. But yeah, I'm watching it. Oh, there's real estate breaking down, maybe. Oh, I really want to hold this. I have 5% left still with the 50-day, but do I just cut it? I have to reduce this too, I think. I think I'm gonna ditch these finally. Should I just chase EH? Yeah, fuck it. All right. Yeah, GV is going. I don't know if there's a setup on Friday though. Oh yeah, no, that's a setup. Yeah, I guess I should recolor this. I don't know, what about serve? Oops, wait, what did I? No, I wanted something else in one. I just accidentally demoted it. What the hell? Okay. Let's demo. I think real estate is topping out for the time being. I guess this was a pretty good sign. And this right here. Yes, I have put some yeah, I guess what job data was good on Friday. Serve is not exact, it's not a base though. Stop calling it a base. That's definitely not what it is. Yeah, that was a good point. I mean, the chart is telling a story, yeah. But oh, what is this again? I think your focus should still be on China names. I mean, you can buy a serve if you want. I'm just saying, I think that don't call it it's not a base breakout or, you know. And I have a problem. The problem with serve is that it's like if you bought it here, I think it's good. I don't know. This is the clear level, but yeah, I don't know. Good luck with it. I don't know if it's getting wrecked, quote unquote, but it's going down. Ugh, my precious babies. Finally, I have to let these go. Yeah, it's a good trade. Do I have to let this piece of shit go too, dude? Like, why am I not in this fucking Zeeker, dude? This cart gonna, this thing moves pretty oddly, but yeah. What else looks good? Yeah, well, I don't know if there's anything going on with Amazon. Let's see, let's move all the China names to 2. Why Amazon is maybe it's getting yeeted because Alibaba is gonna eat its lunch. That's not true though. They'll do protectionist shit no matter what. I don't know how to answer that question. Maybe benefited by. No, I wouldn't really. I don't know. I don't think so. What does cores have to do with MicroStrategy besides the fact that they're both Bitcoin related, right? Bitcoin could have an influence on cores, but why would MicroStrategy? MicroStrategy has been stronger than Bitcoin this whole time, so I mean, I don't know. To me, this is a much easier buy than something look like this is like a very clear range break. I just want more China exposure. This is really like, what the fuck is this, dude? Like, how the f this is so goddamn tilting. At least some shit like Sava is finally dying. Like, I don't want to watch this shit anymore. Let's demote. I need to demote a lot of names to 3. Oh man, I can't believe this one worked. Oh, you guys see this shit? There's a let's fucking get rid of this one. They made an Ozempic ETF. It's crazy. Called Ozem. BNTX? Yeah, sort of. It's you could call it a breakout, yeah. It's not I didn't take that because like I don't know if the sector really has like the PD-1 antibody theme is like really a thing. I'd rather like I keep fucking saying this, why I'd rather get into China names, but which is why I'm just chasing this now. Like look, you just chase the China names and they keep going up. Why would I worry about this right now, right? Like this is not as hot for some like this is dead, right? Summit is dying, and this is the base is not really good here. Like, not everything is a base, right? This is like, it's been making lower lows for a while. It's got to get through here. I liked it when everything was setting up again, and I thought this theme would go, and then now, it's kind of mid. You should be focused on buying more China. It's not extended, dude. That's what I'm saying. Look at this. This is insane price action. Dude, they need to fucking fix this misprint. Look at this. This is so crazy. This is just like, yeah, you gotta trade these flags on China. Like this is free money right now. This is not, this looks extended, but it's like, things are gonna take turns going. Yeah, I don't know if I'd call this a breakout exactly, but you know, yeah, it's definitely a strong name. I'd focus on things that have potential to go that haven't gone yet. So, like IQ and KC, watch these names. These can run. They're not very liquid, but for you guys, it shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe this will keep going. Like this is, why am I not in this? Okay. Like this was the easy, it's not an easy chase, but this is like a valid chase off this level today. Because you know what this stock is, right? This is the flying car stock. This shit goes. Or you can be patient and wait for like Futu to set up, or buy this off the 10-day. Yeah, this is just chopping around. Oh, look at Instacart. Come on, baby. Show me the fucking money on this. I need to buy more. Yeah, good luck with HKD. I think you guys should be focused on other things, but I don't know. Like maybe newer things, right? HKD has already done a ton of things. I want something, it's coming out of a big base. Don't think like a retard. Think like a swing trader. Or, never mind. Yeah. Sometimes it pays to think like a retard. But right now it feels like a generational China move, right? So, you could no, well you should there's nothing wrong with scam stocks. I just mean like this is the kind of play you should have been making, right? Something that hasn't gone yet, right? As soon as China gets really hype, that's when like some of these might work. Like this is obviously this and Duo were the best ones. HKD is something that is like, it's the more times it goes, the less likely it's gonna go again, I think. Like you remember all the riot stocks, right? Like they're every Juneteenth they would go the Juneteenth stocks and then go less and less. HKD is gonna look the same. Anyway, just food for thought. Trade what you want to trade. Does this do anything? No. Like look at all these China names that just what the fuck? This is so crazy. This is like 2% ADR before. Cart? I mean, it's just it's a good chart. It's a great IPO. No, there's no real big theme to this, but it finally gave a setup here, arguably, and then it didn't really move, so I didn't get big on it. But I mean, have you studied IPOs, right? Certain IPOs are very special, right? IPOs very rarely, like, just base and go. They're special names. That's why ARM is special. Where's ARM? What's it doing? Yeah, ARM, it's like this is actually setting up. Yeah. This is a better setup now that all the scrubs have been shaken out here. I'm willing to buy it now. Let's see what happens. But yeah, semis overall is not so good, but I make an exception for something like this. I don't know. I'm not really excited about the chart. Is just such dog shit, dude. Jinko is not a scam, dude. Jinko Solar has one of the most, actually has one of the most revolutionary solar techs. They have a clean way of making photovoltaic cells, which does not exist in the West. Jinko Solar's tech might save the world. Deadass, dude. Yeah, I don't know why CSIQ is going. CSIQ is a dog shit company. Doesn't mean this will like be profitable. I mean, I think eventually China's gonna nationalize this company. But yeah, if you Google like I'll show you what was the search. Jinko Solar Clean Photo. Uh, what the fuck? Where is this? Here, read this article. Or don't, you don't have to read it, just scan it. In fact, I should probably promote this one, right? I should promote these two? Yeah, I should. Holy shit. My God. I don't know. Yeah, I would try to just find a way in it. If you're like not if you're not comfortable with like a hourly setup that looks good on the daily, just take less size. But if you see a way in it, just take it. Like seriously, like what the fuck? These names just keep going straight up. Oh yes, Instacart. For IQ, like let's see. I mean, obviously, this one's worth a shot though. Like this is the kind of name that can move, yeah. I think they're like a streaming platform. They're like a Netflix type deal, but who knows? I think KC is a better company, but this is a spin-off of a big uh, Kingsoft, which is yeah, yeah. So this is a spin-off of this company, which is fairly large market cap. Let's see, what is shit like Xiaomi doing? Oh, yeah, lithium caught a bid. This is too thin a trade, but no, dude, I'm not going to answer that question. I would. Oh, yeah. I mean, no, no. I don't know, man. This stock actually, cause like this stock is just fucking stupid. I don't know how to trade it. I might just avoid it. But lithium had a. Hold on. There's some name had a bid today. ATLX, AMLI. Oh, ALTM. Yeah, but this is off, right? Non-binding. Yeah, acquisition offer. Don't care for trading shit like that. But lithium and copper, this is yeah, you should watch these sectors because the fundamental reason that they'd go up is because of the China bid. Um, no, I mean lithium you should watch. Copper is too slow to trade. Yeah, I guess it's a fest flag, but this is so thin. I don't know. Yeah, real estate is dead for now. I gave back a chunk of money on that one, but whatever. It's just the China demand. That's what I'm assuming. There was no, sorry, there was another there's another news piece of news. September 11th. Yeah, there's contemporary Amperex. It's like they would suspend production, so that's one of the reasons. But yeah, generally when China goes, demand for lithium and copper are a thing. If you look at what happens in the past when China moves. Yeah, no, true that. Just let him work, but it was time to let go of some of it. But there's also this piece of news from September that I have up here. But I think China's probably a bigger driver. Okay, am I finally in one of the good China names? If this better go, dude. This better go. Oh, look at this. This is moving now too. All right, new. Wait, the duck. I mean, I don't know. It's not moving. That's the I would not prioritize it. That's all I'm saying. I would man, look at this shit. I thought it would be a good trade, but looks like it needs more time. Yeah, yeah, you're right. The supply here is a problem, but we'll see. It's just yeah, it's we'll see. I don't have like huge size on this. My entry on EH is let me look it up. 1945. I only have like 10% of my account in this, but yeah, like here. Oh wait, yeah. No, no, it was yeah, my average is 20 actually. My bad. Read the wrong thing. It's it's resistance, but I just want in this stock. Yeah, I started buying this on highs. Yeah, right here on highs. It's a chase. A little over 10% of my count in MSTR. I have a decent sized cart position. I have like 20% of my account in Instacart. I mean, you just kind of want to find a way into these names. Uh, oh, this pullback is not as fun as I was hoping for, but it's okay. I don't know, man. Why would it move? That's a good question. I mean, do you know what this company does? It says Maple Bear, but they're the holding company for Instacart, right? It's a very famous company. Instacart is like it's one of the household Silicon Valley names, like Uber and Netflix and shit. Like I mean Spotify, right? Like these names everyone knows. They have competitors in Uber and DoorDash, right, for grocery delivery, but most people, I would say, still associate Instacart with grocery delivery. Yeah, yeah, no, I understand. It's an advantage to living on the West Coast. But basically, you can rent a peasant to buy your groceries for you. It's fucked. I don't know if they actually make money, but VCs love this company. Did they make money? They seem to be making some. Really? They're only making 800 mil in revenue? Hmm. And how much is it worth? 10 billion? That's fine. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Erwin and Whole Foods are where I see all the fucking Instacart workers or Uber Eats, Dashers, etc. I mean, it's just so cooked. Like, I don't know. Seeing like a Instacart gig worker who makes like probably after expenses like $4 an hour buying like $100, like three smoothies for like $80 to deliver to some fuckers in Brentwood. Really? Hmm. Some. I wouldn't. It's fine. There's just some profit taking. This shit is not gonna go straight down, dude. This is like, it's gonna need some time here. It might take longer than you think, because I eventually might have to retest this like 100 to 102 level, right? Yeah, I would try to get into one of those names. Hutu, Tiger, or QFin. China FinTech is one of the strongest sectors, right? So large cap, tech, and FinTech are the strongest sectors. Like this is a crazy move, man. Look at this. This is so crazy. Yeah, ASTS is not quite dead. But yeah, we'll see. Is this done? Do I have to cut this, dude? This is such horseshit. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be too. I'm just saying. I don't know if everything is a chase. Like like if you're afraid to, if you think that the China indices are extended and that's why you don't want to buy it, I don't think that that's the right choice. Like maybe don't buy yen. Maybe the large caps will act, but like I said, it's just everything seems to be wanting to go. So if you can find some entries, still take them. And I wouldn't get overexcited about shorting China either. It's not going to happen yet. Yeah, even Go is a piece of shit. Uh, yeah, if it gets down to like my average is like a little over 6, so I should probably not give it too much room. Tiger big selling volume. I mean, like okay, whatever. It's fine. It just needs it's not necessarily topping yet, right? I don't like how this is behaving though. Dude, look at this. This is crazy. It's already up 30%. See, you thought buying at 20 was a chase? It is not a chase. It's just I'm so glad I got into something. All right, guys. Do I consider current trade of not really. Not for something like not for like this kind of entry. This is very liquid anyway. For like EPs, yeah. But for thin names, yeah. Well, I know you're not being serious, but like the education names have there were some big restrictions, some regulations handed down by the government about how these for-profit like extracurricular education programs behave. I don't know the details, but yeah. You could. I'm gonna. I don't mind asking those questions. I just don't feel like answering them right now. I'm gonna. Oh, but I've answered before. Yeah. Dude, look at this shit. Okay. Oh, thank God I bought this. Yeah, sometimes you gotta chase. It's gonna hit resistance, right? You guys all see this level. So just watch out. But I think you can hold. Oh yeah, this is well, these long-term charts are not that good, but you know, not really with these ones. You want to trade them, you should, I guess. I'm not really trying to waste time on shitcoins, or not waste. I don't need that kind of stress. You stress me out. I'm watching them though. Yes, I want to see how they do. The last shitco I traded was this Momentous on here, and I made some money on it, but he didn't make any move though because of space. Yeah, of course it's fun, dude. It's yeah, yeah. Now I get it. I'm chilling though. I'm trying to. All right, all right. One more, dude. Come on. This has gotta. Please stop going down. All right, all right. I'm a dip, guys. Peace out.